What's good? It's your girl Amika Janae here, back with another video. And in today's video, I want to share with you guys all of the new hot products that are on my radar as a licensed cosmetologist who specializes in natural and textured hair. These are the things that I have my eye on that came out this month. So let's just hop right into the video. Alright y'all, so let me just start off with the one that is most interesting to me because it is one of my favorite brands. It is my go-to brand. You guys know my go-to brands by now, but if you don't and you're new to this channel, my top professional brands are Design Essentials, Matrix, Mizani, Redken, and Joico. Okay, that is like the holy trinity, which is more than the trinity, but my holy grail list of brands that I am not an auto buy person, but I keep my eye on those brands for new products because more than likely I'm going to give them a try. I'm obsessed. So first I want to start off with Matrix. They actually have a whole entire new line that just released, and it is called the Glow Mania line, but the main product that I'm interested in is actually the deep conditioner. It is the Super Gloss Protecting Hair Mask for dull and color treated hair. Sounds super interesting because I love shine. I do have color treated hair. I have a lot of clients with color treated hair, so this one is super interesting to me. This one for me retails at about $23. Right now it is on sale for $18. I know for you guys it's going to be a little bit more, but all in all, Matrix is a pretty affordable line compared to the other things I listed, so still might be an interesting thing to give a look, especially if you are shopping at Ulta, because they do offer coupons, which I always suggest getting your professional products from an Ulta, Sephora, things like that, because they are legit. So what is it? It's a hair mask for dull and color treated hair that enhances shine and color vibrancy. Very interesting. The benefits is that hair is smooth and nourished, feeling healthy. Color is vibrant and glossy, ideal for dull and color treated hair. This mask varnishes hair by laminating the fiber for a better light reflection. Very interesting. Helps protect colored pigment fade to optimize inner light diffusion. Before I go on to what else you need to know, let me first just say these are my first time reading these descriptions. Just based off of reading that, it is pretty interesting that they say it is for dull color treated hair, because personally I don't have dull color treated hair. Like my other products that I use offer shine and different nutrition, so I would really want to see what type of benefits it could offer me. Now they're not saying moisture yet. I haven't got moisture or hydration. I've only heard so far that this is like a glossing treatment. You know, when you want to add a lot of shine, it's going to like laminate the fiber, stuff like that, maybe give you like a glass like reflection, which should be really good for silk presses on color treated hair, because sometimes I find that, you know, it is harder to make colored hair and especially blonde natural hair shine. The key ingredients are glycolic acid. Very interesting because I recently had a friend ask me about glycolic acid for the hair, and I was like, ooh, I don't know. So this is making me worry. Okay, it is a gentle HAA that helps to exfoliate the scalp and remove buildup. I don't understand why you would really need that in a protecting mask. To me, I can see glycolic acid when it comes to shampoos or maybe a scalp treatment, but when it comes to moisture and a hair mask, I don't really understand why that ingredient would be beneficial. One ingredient that I am excited about is the rose hip oil. It's a natural oil that is rich in antioxidants to help to nourish and hydrate the hair. I find that rose oil are really good for hydration, especially with my locks, so that's interesting. But that glycolic acid is a little iffy for me, but the rose hip is good. I'm interested because not a lot of products have rose hip oil. I think the Mizani Miracle Milk does, which is why I really love it. And it also has vitamin E as a key ingredient, an antioxidant that helps to protect the hair from damage. Very interesting because I do like vitamin E oil just in general for health benefits. Not a ton of products have vitamin E oil, so this picture right here is actually the 16.9 fluid ounce. Pretty big for a deep conditioner, really good for the price. But for me trying it out, and I'm a little bit iffy about the glycolic acid. I wish it came in a little bit of a smaller container, but I'll just have to deal with it if I do end up trying this. Right now for me at Salon Centric, it is on sale for $18.45, so now will be the time to get it and try it. If this is something that you guys are interested in me trying, go ahead and leave a comment down below and I'll run over and go ahead and purchase it. But if not, I'm gonna leave it where it's at because I'm a little bit iffy about the glycolic acid. Next up, I have another go-to brand, which is Redken. Redken, and they recently came out with an acidic bonding concentrate 24/7 night and day serum. First thoughts when I read that is, okay, my favorite serum is currently the Matrix Food for Soft serum. Love it, literally need some more of it right now, use it all the time, multi-purpose. The difference between this, the acidic bonding concentrate line in general, is Redken's like answer to Olaplex. So this has bonding formulations in it. This would be for damaged, color treated hair. Before I even read their synopsis, I know that's what it is going into it. So this product is not going to be for everyone. You probably don't need everything because this Redken line can get pretty pricey. This product alone is $25 right now. It's currently on sale at Salon Surgical for $20, but if it's $25 for me, I already know it's probably like $30 to $40 for you. This might be something I definitely want to try for you guys to really share whether or not it's worth your money or not. But let's talk about what it is. So this bonding serum works overnight to repair daily damage and hydrate hair, with citric acid penetrating 7 layers deep to strengthen hair, and polyglutamic acid magnetizes the hair for long-lasting protection and repair. Hair will look and feel healthier. It is an overnight intensive hair repair. This revolutionary bonding serum works to mend and repair hair damage, reversing a year's worth of visible damage in just a single use. That is a humongous claim. That it is going to reverse a year's worth of damage in a single use. They're spitting with that one, okay? Do I believe that? I don't know. Maybe, because Redken is really that girl. Maybe they can do that with this. Strengthen and hydration. Okay, I love to see the word hydration. Experience 9 times stronger hair, 3 times more hydrated hair, and witness an impressive 92% of users agree that their hair looks and feels healthier even after a full 24 hours of continuous use. Very interesting. I love to see strengthening and hydration when it comes to my products. Otherwise, what is it doing for me? It reduces breakage and frizz. This formula reduces breakage by an impressive 89% and frizz by a remarkable 72% after just 8 hours of use. Wake up to noticeably less breakage and enjoy smoother, more manageable hair. Also interesting, this product is telling me way more of what I want to hear compared to the Matrix, which is that is surprising because I want more from my deep conditioners, but this serum is telling me what I want to hear. Is it going to execute? I don't know, but so far the claims sounded nice. It's suitable for processed hair, damaged hair looking to strengthen their hair and repair daily damage overnight. Very interesting. Relax girlies, this may be for you. The citric acid penetrates 7 layers deep and strengthens hair. The polyglumatic acid with a high leave-in concentration magnetizes the hair for longer lasting protection and repair, and is formulated with lavender for overnight use. To use, apply generously from mid-lengths to ends for overnight bond repair and hydration. Now, I would really want to see the consistency of this, because when it comes to our curly girls in general, where you're natural or relaxed, you don't want to have your hair wet overnight or like too weighed down. So I would really want to see the consistency of this product, you know, to see if it's anything like the Matrix Food for Soft. But so far so good. Yeah, this right here is only 4 fluid ounces, so it's not a lot for $20. Like, you're gonna have to probably do 2 squirts and make that go all over your whole head to make this last, because you don't want to overuse this product and waste your money. So this one is sounding like it's going to #1 over the Matrix, because it's just sounding better to me. Last but certainly not least, but maybe it is least, is something by Amika. Now, you did not hear me say Amika was in my favorite brands, because they're not. I find that a lot of their products are good. Some of them are not for everyone, but I find that one thing that is the same within the brand is that they are very expensive. I do not recommend paying for a product that is not revolutionary and paying an arm and a leg. I just don't see it, don't feel it. So Amika is not one of my auto buy brands, but they do have some hidden gems within their collections that is worth the money. So I want to see if this product right here can be one of those, and this is the Amika Superfruit Star Lightweight Hair Styling Oil. Very interesting, because this can be seen as something that's kind of similar to a serum, but this one I think is kind of competing with like the Olaplex #7 oil that people swear by, which I don't know why, because that's an overpriced hair oil. Go get something else. You can put straight vitamin E oil or something like that on your hair, black seed oil, and you're gonna get more benefits than that little 2 fluid ounce thing of Olaplex oil. But that's a whole nother video. Let's talk about this. This is retailing for me for about $20, so for you it's probably like 25 to 30, and this is coming in a 50 milliliter. That is super small for $20. What it is a multitasking hair oil hero that's clinically proven to make hair 7 times stronger, 2 times smoother, and 86% less breakage. Use this lightweight superfruit infused hair oil on dry or damp hair to reduce breakage, smooth frizz, and glossy shine, and protect against heat damage. Ooh, I'm liking those claims. I love anything that is helping to protect your hair from breakage, because not a lot of products were really anchoring towards that. There's a whole entire group of people who kind of shy away from styling products, but styling products can actually be beneficial in helping your hair progress. You know, you want to reduce that breakage to help you retain length. The only way that you are going to see longer hair is if you retain that length. That means less split ends, well, no split ends, and getting those trims and not having to do a whole cut, only getting trims. So products that are saying strengthening and reducing breakage, that is what you want to hear. Now, I love smoothing frizz and I love a glossy shine, because one product that I absolutely love by Amika is the Wizard. Okay, I love that for a silk press. Not only is it a great detangler, but the shine is on another level. So if this oil is anything like the Wizard, then I might love it. Okay, it might be worth the money. I like that it said you can put it on dry or damp hair, because I like to do the Wizard while damp, of course. So this might be a nice little addition to the party, okay, the silk press party. And they said it's clinically proven after 1 use. Here they go with these clinical trials. Who knows what these trials actually look like? Who knows who they're trying it on? So I don't really believe in, you know, claims like that, no matter the brand. But it does. Multitasking hair oil hero. They keep saying hero. That's clinically proven to strengthen, smooth, and protect hair. 7 times stronger, 2 times smoother, with 86% less breakage. They repeating themselves. Okay. It is a 3-in-1 lightweight oil. Works on both damp and dry hair before and after styling. It creates a protective barrier around the cuticle to shield hair from breakage, heat damage, and frizz for a silky smooth result. Formulated with Amika's signature superfruit, sea, buckthorn, and non-silic silicones. Lightweight enough for daily use without buildup. Pro tips: customize the amount of lightweight oil to use based on the density of your client's hair. So apparently if you have coarser, curlier hair, probably if you have curly hair in general, you're going to have to use a little bit more than someone with straighter hair or finer hair. The Superfruit Star helps add extra protection and slip the hair prior to a haircut. For curly and textured hair, after you set the hair, press oil into strands to break up the curl cast for the best shine and definition. I really appreciated that they added that in, because most brands, if they're not specifically for curly hair and people of color, they're not going to include a curly hair section or a pro tip for them. So I appreciate Amika doing that. And it says that the formula is lightweight enough to keep your volume while still adding strength and shine. I might have to bite my tongue, because the product that was probably least on the list for me to try is definitely moving its way up to number 2. So I'm thinking I might go purchase the Redken serum and this oil and leave the matrix where it's at, because I just don't know about that. Okay, I might need a little sample of that one, but these 2 serums and oil sound amazing, because as you guys know, I've been loving my black seed oil. So if I can do like a lesser version of that in the salon and use these products in there for more lightweight oil, I'm all for it, because I see the benefit of protecting those ends, keeping them hydrated by locking in that moisture. Of course, oil does not provide moisture, but it definitely seals it in. So these products are definitely on my radar. You probably will be seeing a review coming from these really soon, because I want to catch them while they're on sale. Whenever new products come out for professionals, they usually offer a little discount, so your girl's intrigued. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please in the comments down below, let me know which product you're most excited for, which one would you like me to review, and which one would you probably purchase yourself, just based off of hearing their claims and what they say the product is going to do. I'm so interested. I'm very excited for hair care in 2025. I feel like these brands are setting new levels. I feel like they've already done so much since the pandemic, so I feel like they're just trying to layer and add on and benefit a wider majority of people when it comes to hair care. So I'm very excited about that. I hope you all enjoyed this little video. I will be seeing you guys in my next one.